Hey everybody, Richard here with Kriete Truck Center. Today I've got one of our Gen 2 Mack Anthems, model year 2027. VIPER red, stock number is AN102556. This truck has a 445 horsepower engine, 1,850 foot-pounds of torque. Mack mDrive 12-speed transmission, heavy-duty transmission with overdrive. 308 gear ratio, 40,000 pound rears, air ride suspension, 185 inch wheelbase, Holland FW35 fifth wheel, 150 gallons of fuel capacity. Take a look inside. Upfitted with our Mack air ride seats with Mordura cloth interior. Tilt and telly on the steering wheel. If you have any interest, give us a call or check out our website at krietetrucks.com for more Mack, Volvo, Isuzu, and Autocar products.